In the middle of that, one of the plumbers that we were using died, and the second plumber just disappeared because why not? Going green is great. Saving the planet for future generations, love it. So it cost me $15,000 on this Wheatley Heights flip. I buy this house sight unseen, price is decent, paid up a little bit for it, but I was really excited when I walked into the house, brand new roof, state-of-the-art insulation, and a brand new boiler, brand new. Renovate the house. Unfortunately, during this particular house, anything that could go wrong and would go wrong, like the cesspool collapsing when the dump truck pulled up and the tire fell into the ground, the town came and gave us a stop work order. We drew plans. When we drew the plans, they came back, and every single time they would come to do an inspection, they would bust us for something else in the house. So instead of coming in there one time and saying, draw plans for the entire house, they're like, draw plans for that illegal garage conversion. Then they'd come and do the inspection after we went through the whole process. Oh, I see that you put a new kitchen in here. Draw plans for the entire main floor. They would come and do the inspection for that. Oh, we never checked the basement. Oh, the basement's finished too. Draw plans for that. So after drawing plans 3 times, having a dump truck fall through the lawn, having to put a cesspool in this particular property, waiting literally 2.5 years to get my escrow money back because it took that long to close out all these permits. In the middle of that, one of the plumbers that we were using died, and the second plumber just disappeared because why not? To bring it back a minute, I finally sell the house. I'm gonna make a little bit of money, nothing too crazy, but you know, I'm just happy to make some money on this nightmare. And all of a sudden, title comes back with a bill. And apparently the town of Babylon has this like Go Green, Green Talk something program, look out for it, that if you're a homeowner, if you need a new roof, new siding, new windows, or insulation in your house, or a boiler, you can reach out to Babylon, and what they will do is they will graciously come in and perform these renovations for you at an exorbitant premium, and then give you a very low interest loan for like 1,000,000 years. I was unaware of that. And it doesn't transfer with the person. It's not attached to you as the homeowner. When you leave, you own it. It gets attached to the house, and it didn't come up in the initial title search. So I'm getting ready to close. I'm like, finally, really happy to get rid of this nightmare, gonna make a couple fazoli's, gonna be able to go out to dinner and have a good time with the girlfriend at that time. And I get a bill for $15,000, which I had to pay. And there was nothing I could do about it. So moral of the story is, A, make sure the green talk or whatever it is isn't on there, and B, never work off slim margins because anything bad can and will happen.